What's up, everybody? Welcome back to A.R.C Racing and Hobbies YouTube channel. Anthony here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on my new / used Team Associated RC10 SC6.2 short course truck. But before that, I am going to be giving you a little update on what's been going on with all this RC stuff that I got going on. I got some models that I'm building. So I just want to give you an update, let you know what's up with A.R.C right now. Basically, I've been running my slash. You guys have seen my YouTube unboxing on that one, my slash Ultimate 4x4. I've been running that one, outside bashing and stuff like that. I changed the wheels, I put some buggy wheels and tires on it. That's cool. I've been going back and forth with those tires. And I've been taking out my 2-wheel drive to race it out over there at Coastal RC in Chesapeake, Virginia. That's been really fun. I got some videos on the channel too, so thank you all for checking them out, subscribing, hitting the like button, really appreciate it. That's, that at least somebody's watching, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I've been running the 2-wheel drive, and I just picked up this little Axial Adventure SCX.24. This is really cool. I've been just taking that to like work and messing around, calling on stuff like that. Got some upgrades that I'm going to be doing on this too. It's pretty fun. It's a little different than just running the slashes outside and indoor racing, But this is what I'm here for today. It's, like I said, a Team Associated RC10 SC6.2 short course truck. And the main reason that I got this is because I've been racing the slash. It's beyond fun. It's like super fun. Like I really can't get enough of it. I wish I could race like all the time. But the last race I was at, they kind of mixed us up. It was the slash class with like the actual short course truck 2-wheel drive class. And a lot of those guys are running, Team Associated, they're running the TLRs, they're running the more racing stuff. It's not like out the box, ready to run. So this one right here I picked up from this dude Rob on the Facebook group. It is the RC10 SC6.1 and SC6.2 Nation group on Facebook. A lot of information, really cool. Just been doing research because, like I said, I know I wanted to get something more updated. And nothing wrong with my slashes. Like, I'm still gonna run them. I'm still gonna try and go race the slash class over there at Coastal RC, and hopefully when I get home, do some slash racing over there too. But the main reason is because they're gonna be having this big race over there at Coastal RC. It is called the first annual Meltdown at Coastal RC. Is going to be going down February 17th through 19th, so I will be in town for that. And I wanted something to run that's not just a slash. They said they're going to have some like slash classes if there's enough people, but it's really on the flyer. It says short course, 2-wheel drive, so I can't compete with those guys. I probably can't compete with them at all, but I just wanted to go have fun, get something updated that's worth it. So obviously I was talking to Angel. He's Team Associated, and I've been talking to my new homie Tony. We got a little group on IG about RCing. They be going to RC tracks, to RC tracks all the time. So we be talking smack. Angel's Team Associated, and Tony, he's TLR, which I think TLR stands for Team Loser Racing. Team Losi Racing. So my bad, that was a little typo. But yeah, so it's fun. There's always good competition. I heard it's basically like Chevy versus Ford. But I got me a Team Associated. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be unboxing this right now. And let's check it out. Alright, so let's see what this guy's saying. Here's the book. This is actually a kit car that you gotta build. I got some stickers right here so I can represent. But it's already built, it's pre-built. So, I know it came with a bunch of parts here. So here we hooked it up, a little case with some parts, gears, pinion gears, screws. Shit, I don't even know what half this stuff is. Like, so I'm still new to this, so I'm still learning every day. But there's some extra parts right here. Probably came with the kit, and I know it came with 2 bodies. That's what we talked about. What's this in this box? Oh, this is gonna be battery pack box. There's a bunch of tires in here. Some tires right there. This is the first body. That's pretty dope. Tires right here. And there's the car. There it is. Boom. Pretty dope. I like the paint job. There's a pretty fresh paint job right there. Check it out. So, for stand, the box. Tires, these are the hazards. I actually already picked up some tires and wheels from J Concepts. They are for carpet. This looks like this is the Hobby XR10, A.R.C. Hobby Ring 13.5 just stock motor should all be installed in there. Take these pins out. I don't know exactly what it's set up for, but it's already put together, so I just gotta mess with it. That's a really clean body though. Clear Concepts. Heavy duty. I like it. There's just some more tires. And that's basically it. Got some battery in there. RC Digit 4096. Servo. Everything's hobby. Let me see. This. So I'm gonna cut right here. I gotta figure this shit out. All right, we're back. So yeah, I don't have a receiver for it yet, or a radio, but I do have one in the mail coming Tuesday. Today is Sunday, so it should be here Tuesday. I ended up going with the Samwell M17. You know what I'm saying? I figured I might as well invest in something that's good. But I try to call my boys up right now so they could, you know, let me know how to plug it in correctly and all that. But they ain't answering. They was mad at me earlier because I was playing Call of Duty. I'm not opening this, but I was like, I want to do a video. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, really excited for this. I forgot to mention earlier also, I did get this also, well, for racing obviously, but going down on March 18th in Bakersfield at Rainmans Raceway, they're going to be having the JBRL, which is the Jimmy Babcock Racing League race over there. They're gonna have a short course class there too. So really excited to go check it out over there. I know it's an outdoor track, so I never race outdoor. I just done the carpet thing. But I'm just excited to go out there with my boys and race with them. You know, talk smack. You know, BS and just have fun, because that's what this is basically all about. But yeah, that's basically it. Got my 2 splashes, I got my little mini crawler, and now I got my Team Associated SC6.2 short course racing truck. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, click the like button down there. Subscribe, share to your friends, share to your people. I've been trying to post what I can on my channel, but it's kind of hard with the video editing and, you know what I'm saying, work and trying to do all this stuff. So what I've been doing is I've been creating shorts on YouTube. Those have actually been getting a lot of hits. There's like 2 that are over 1,200 views, one's like over 1,300. My unboxing of my Slash Ultimate, that's like got 100 views or more. Same with the installation video of the buggy tires, that's like over 100 views, which is cool. So yeah, tell your friends, tell your family, you know what I'm saying, to subscribe so they can check it out. I'm trying to make some more content for this channel. It's a really fun hobby, and yeah, I feel like it's for anybody, you know, kids, old people, you know, young people, people my age, everybody, you know, it's all around fun hobby. And yeah, so with that being said, I'm gonna cut it right there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.